Hello guys, welcome to another tech tutorial. On this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 and Windows 11 audio sound problem. So there are a couple of steps, there are 3 steps that you can take to do that, and I'm going to show you all the steps. So first step is to right click on the Windows icon, and then you want to select Task Manager, and then go to Start Up. And then you want to scroll down to Waves, Max Audio Service Application. Right click on it. Make sure that this is enabled. For some reason, mine was disabled, and that caused an issue. So make sure yours is enabled. If that doesn't work for you, we're going to go to the second step. For the second step, we want to run the Windows 10 Audio Troubleshooter. It can fix a variety of common sound problems. So to do that, you want to go to the sound icon, right click, troubleshoot sound problems. And then when the troubleshooter appears, follow the on-screen steps, and that should be able to fix the problem. If this doesn't work, then we can try the third step, which is updating your audio driver. Come down to the Windows icon again and right click on the Windows icon, and then select Device Manager, and then scroll down to Sounds, Video and Game Controllers. Expand on it, and then pick up your device. And then right click on it, and then click Update Drivers. On this screen, you want to select Search Automatically for Drivers. And then if this doesn't fix the problem, you can go back, right click again, Update Drivers, and then click Browse My Computer for Drivers. And then over here, you want to say, let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. And then you pick one of these, and then then you click Next. That should be able to solve the issue. All right, guys, so try those three main steps that we went through. I think one of those should be able to fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.